Are you reading this letter atuhajuni? So it's wrong. How to read correctly? You can follow me on the screen. Hamza zabar a, tapesh tu, atu. Ha zabar alif mad jim, hajj. We will stretch the letter of mad and join with the letter of shad. Hajj, atuhajj. Jim pesh waw mad nun jun. We will strike the letter of mad and join with the letter of shad. Jun. Nun is mushaddad. We will do gunna mast. Atuhajjun. Nun zariya ni. Atuhajjun. Jazakumullahu khaira.